These Bookworm Brownies are a fun way to celebrate going back to school. First, let's prepare our brownies. Pour your brownie mix into a large mixing bowl. Crack 2 large eggs. Add 1/4 cup of water and half a cup of vegetable oil. Whisk until your batter is blended. Pour the batter into an 8x8 baking dish and be sure to get all that chocolatey goodness. Once in the dish, you'll want to smooth out the batter so that all your brownies cook evenly. Bake according to instructions printed on the packaging. Add 1 color of melting chocolates into a bowl and microwave for 30 seconds. Stir, then microwave again for 10 seconds. Repeat until the chocolate is completely melted. Add 1/8 cup of corn syrup to your melted chocolate and mix till the chocolate hardens like dough, creating a chocolate candy clay. Cut a piece of wax paper and scoop the melted chocolate onto it. Flatten it out, and once ready, put your candy clay off to the side to let cool. Repeat these steps with 2 additional melting chocolate colors. Melting chocolates are sold in a variety of colors, so make sure to use you and your child's favorites. Once your candy clays have cooled, tightly wrap them in plastic wrap. Let them sit for a few hours. While we wait, let's bring back our brownies. To prevent them from sticking to the edge, take a knife and gently cut around the tray. Next, evenly cut the brownies into rectangles. Once cut, take a brownie and place it onto a piece of wax paper. Trace around the edges of your brownie to make the outline of your book covers. You'll want the paper to cover 3 sides of each brownie. Carefully cut out your traced rectangle. Now, let's bring back our candy clay and unwrap them. On a surface dusted with cornstarch, knead each candy clay until it softens. Use a rolling pin to flatten out the candy clay into a pancake until it is about 1/8 inch thick. Place your paper cutout over the top of your candy clay. Make sure to space out your rectangles. Using the backside of a butter knife, cut out your book covers. Remove any excess scraps. Repeat this step with the other colored clays. Wrap your book covers around your brownies and gently form to fit. Repeat with each color. Once finished, grab a bag of sour gummy worms. Using a sharp knife, cut the gummy worms as you see fit and attach them to your book covers with a little water. You may also cut small circles into your covers to form fit your worms. Most importantly, don't forget to have fun when designing your bookworms. When finished, you can also use black sparkle gel to give your worms little eyes. And there we have it, a fun lunchtime snack that will turn your kids' lunch into the talk of the cafeteria. Look how cute! Make sure to like and subscribe for more daily mouthwatering recipe videos on our YouTube page and cookingpanda.com. See you next time!